Hi, my name is Ian. I'm with Fright Props at Midwest this year. This year we're doing a similar to last year, a big garage sale theme, because we just moved to warehouses and we need to get rid of all the junk that's been stored for all these years. So this entire half of the booth is all used garage sale items. We got all your wares for cheap. We got masks for $5 a pop. We got spiders, we got owls, we got bats.
I saw you have a chainsaw over there. Can we go look at that?
Yeah. Right here we got our Fright Saw. 12 volts, electric, no gas or anything like that, so it's fine for enclosed spaces. We got a couple loudspeakers in it. We can do a sound test for you.
That's great.
That'll scare somebody real nice. Next to it, these are various horn blasters. We have our clown blaster, our horny honker, and our nasty blaster here. Clown blaster is a clown sound. Battery's dying. Horny honker is your car horn. And finally, the nasty blaster is your train horn.
That's really loud.
Yeah, they're loud and scary for sure. Everything else is just a couple of our easier, smaller props, a door wall knocker.
Oh, nice. This is a classic stack.
And then we have rocking mechs for rocking skeletons or any kind of character like that. Pneumatic vibrators to vibrate barrels or anything that you want to install it in.
Well, this was Fright Props, the Midwest Carnage Convention for 2019.